Every Indian rupee begins far from machines. Only premium cotton qualifies for currency paper.
Purity is verified at the source.
Measurement begins before transport. Every batch gains an identity. Raw material prepares to move. The journey shifts from agriculture to industry. One ends where controlled transport begins. Protection begins before the road does. Integrity is locked from the start.
Documentation travels with the material.
Distance narrows between field and factory.
Timing is carefully managed.
Industry replaces open land.
Security tightens before entry.
Phase 2 ends at the factory gate.
This is where currency-grade manufacturing begins.
Entry is granted only under verification.
Digital checks confirm physical security.
Every path has a defined destination.
Positioning ensures safe transfer.
Movement is controlled beyond the gate.
Infrastructure adapts to the load.
Phase 3 ends as material enters factory control.
Handling begins under controlled conditions.
Transfer moves from transport to process. Automation begins its role.
Packaging is removed without disruption.
Surface impurities are removed first. Air systems protect material purity. Sorting prepares fibers for processing. Ends with purified material ready. Processing begins by breaking material down. Fibers enter their first transformation. Water binds fibers into form. Flow rate defines consistency. Uniformity is continuously maintained. Fiber structure is carefully conditioned. Data guides every adjustment. Ends as material becomes manufacturing input. Liquid fibers begin to take shape.
Pressure creates strength.
Continuity protects integrity. Strength is built in stages. Heat replaces moisture. Drying is carefully staged. Stability is restored. Phase ends as transformation is complete.
Automation now governs precision.
Machines respond instantly. Security begins inside the paper. Hidden features confirm authenticity. Chemistry strengthens defense. Time is compressed through technology. Invisible layers add trust. Phase 7 ends with verified security.
Refinement turns material into currency-grade paper.
Only what matters moves on. Surface integrity is finalized. Every detail is inspected.
Human oversight confirms perfection.
Format becomes standardized. Ends with flawless output. Before trust is printed, proof is required. Each sheet is tested alone. Structure reveals consistency.
The digital micrometer ensures precise thickness measurement. Once the jaws make contact, the value...
Strength is proven, not assumed. Security features respond instantly. Only verified material advances. Ends with absolute confidence. Protection preserves value.
Storage and movement are precisely timed.
And this is how modern factories produce Indian currency from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.